Hey guys, welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner. We have had a lot of videos going up on this channel. It has been a bit busy, but I hope you're enjoying it. I kind of had quite a bit of a dry spell, but I've really been passionate about getting videos out lately. I think especially because I want to contribute during these crazy times. So I've got a daily escape room video going on, virtual, that you can do on this channel. Check that out. And I've got other like crafting videos. I did an Easter tree instead of a Christmas tree. So check out those videos. I've got a whole Easter playlist, but right now I wanted to show you some things that I ordered on Wish months ago, before anyone had even heard of a coronavirus. And I just thought it would be fun to share with you what I got, and let's see what we think about them. So these were free, but I paid $3 in shipping. I don't think I would get them again because I didn't realize how huge they were. I thought that these would be like, you could make a cool design on top of, you know, your coffee or hot chocolate or on a cookie, but this would be a large cookie, like it's the size of my whole hand. So maybe for cake, but I really don't know when I'll actually use these, but you know, they look good. And then these guys I was pleasantly surprised with. You can do them for little bento boxes, little finger sandwiches, and super cute. Took a little bit of trial and error, and there's zero English on the packaging, so you really have to kind of guess on the best strategy to get it imprinted in there. But you separate it, there's a little top piece and a bottom piece, and they show there you can kind of like decorate it, which I think using a piping bag or like a Ziploc with a corner cut off would be best. So it comes with a teddy bear, a bunny, and a flower. Pretty good design, I'd have to say. And it is flush with the edge there. So that's a little PB&J that I made. Could be cleaner if you used a piping bag again. But I think it's pretty good detail. Of course, this is not a great bread for it. Just plain white bread would have been best. You kind of lose the detail and like the cracked wheat look of it all. I decided to try it with tortilla. You don't really get the design so much, but you can still get the outer shape. You can see here kind of the trial and error of what I did. They got progressively better until I got these three where the design is pretty good. I think the eyes, I mean, they're kind of placed in a weird spot and they're so tiny that it looks a little unnatural, but basically you cut it out with the bottom piece and then you stamp it with the top one. So next item here are these cute little buttons, 50 of them, $2 for shipping, really not bad. And I was surprised by the quality. They actually came in really nice. There were small flaws on a few of them, but really not even that noticeable. Now the big question is, what am I actually going to do with these? Sometimes I buy things and then I'm like, wait a second, I don't have anything in mind. But they're cute. I'll figure out something. And then lastly, I've got this. I forgot to take a picture of it in real life, but I just got one big old styrofoam egg. I haven't done anything with it. Again, just been busy with videos and everything, but I'm planning on maybe using pins of some sort and sequins. I think that would be really fun, but you know, it's just a standard product that you could probably get maybe even at the Dollar Tree. I'm surprised by how many craft supplies they're getting nowadays, but definitely for sure at like Michael's or someplace like that. So was it worth waiting for it? Probably not. Thank you so much for joining me here on Jen's Creativity Corner. I appreciate your love for things creative, and also sometimes it's just fun to see a haul from a place like Wish, where you wish that you get good stuff and not crap. It can be questionable sometimes. So yeah. What did you think of what we got today? I hope you have a wonderful Easter. I hope you're doing all right with your family and that you're staying safe and healthy. And I'm very grateful for Easter as a reminder of what our Savior has done for us. You might just enjoy the fun side of things of Easter, and I enjoy that too, the bright colors and the Easter egg hunts and whatnot, but I do deeply appreciate the spiritual side of it, and I'm grateful for that as well. So please do subscribe and comment down below what your favorite item out of that haul was. And go ahead and hit the bell notification if you want to see more videos coming up soon. Give it a like, give it a share, and show me that you care. Hey, that rhymed. Maybe I should say that more often. Anyway, have a great day, guys. We'll see you next time.